Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can merge two video files and export into a single video file. So guys, here you can see I am using CapCut Studio, that is the best video editing software and screen recorder. Just I can add two videos here. So guys, here you can see videos are added. Now I add this one in the timeline. So this is one video, and after that I can drag this one navigator, and after that I can, here you can see I can select the position. After that I can add another video. So guys, here you can see these are the two videos. So just I can close it, and after that here you can see if you want to see zoom options, just you can zoom out, and here you can see two videos are added in the timeline. After that just click here share and export our video file. So guys, these are various options that we can export in 480 format, 720. So guys, thank you for watching.